In today's video, we're going to make our own Cuts and Abrasions roller bottle and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. These recipes support the body in healing minor wounds using all-natural antibacterial and soothing ingredients. Alright, let's get to it. Recipe number 1. 8 drops of lavender essential oil, 8 drops of tea tree essential oil, 8 drops of frankincense essential oil. Recipe number 2. 8 drops of rosemary essential oil, 8 drops of thyme essential oil, 8 drops of tea tree essential oil. Most of these oils possess antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. They not only aid in wound healing, but soothe and calm the skin. First, we need one 10 milliliter glass roller bottle, 9 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is a deep moisturizer and absorbs quickly. It's an antioxidant and is antifungal. First, add your desired essential oil combination to the bottle. Then, add coconut oil. Place roller ball and lid on bottle and shake well. Roll on affected area 3 to 4 times a day. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.